Haha, awesome. Stop 2. I am ready to go freaking antiquing today. And by the way, I was Googling places towards Branson, and there is a place that's called freaking antiquing. So that might be trademarked now. Oh my gosh. Now this Happy Things looks awesome. This place is huge. Look at the lenticular Mickey coin pouch. I'm not much of a bottle person, but some of these are really neat. Like that one. Where's the other one? Here it is. Look at this. That's funny. I've never seen that. Look at the 7-Up bottle with the swimmer on it. Definitely a lot of everything here. I kind of like how open it is, though. It's giving my eyes a little bit of a much needed break. Lots of new stuff, but it's all like mixed in, which is so fun. Let's see. See Halloween. Honeycombs too. Wait, are these for real? $2? Is that a joke? It's got damage, but it's a vintage Halloween honeycomb for $2. Can't leave that there. I'm so confused why this is $2. I keep looking at it. I don't know, but because I also see the monkey Nodder salt and pepper shakers, and that's at $18. Not sure what the reasoning is with the $2. I mean, a little bit of damage doesn't really matter at that price. Let's see, the apple. Wait, this is string holder. That's so cool. $8. Well, we're gonna get that, right? It's got like a little wear to it, but I think it kind of adds to its charm. These are kind of hard to find. And Holt Howard, 18. How much is this one? 18. I'm gonna pass on that. Looks like the wall pockets are $8 each, but I'm definitely more into the string holder. Those are harder to come by. The little soldiers. I mean, these are only $1. Japan. I feel like I should just get them. Yeah, I mean, $1 each. They're styrofoam, but they're in good condition. I'm kind of crazed right now. Let me see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Whoa. All right, so there's no discount, but the one I really love is the Saturday in the bubble bath. Unfortunately, she's super repaired. I'm gonna assume a couple of these are. It looks like all their necks are repaired, actually. Still, it's really amazing to see this set. It's a really hard thing to find. I've actually never seen it in person. I've only seen like one of them ever in real life. And the parrot, Japan, $10. Little close. It's crazy in here. I like it. Look at that green dress. So neat. I'm actually kind of surprised at how quick I'm going through this place. A lot going on here too. Huh. I gotta love that, even though it's new. Did I go in here? Oh my gosh. Serious kitsch alert ahead, it looks like. How fabulous is this doll? Oh my gosh, she's $3. I love her. And her face is not bashed in. I'm gonna get that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try my hand upstairs here before I finish up down there. Lots of records. Clothing. Ooh, it's a little warm up here now, isn't it? Huh. Totally random. You know what I haven't seen a lot of since I left the Pennsylvania area is vintage Christmas. Everybody's Christmas booths, it seems, are all new stuff. Look at this dress, how wild. Whoa. Now this is intense. For sure. A lot of larger stuff. I can't really get anything larger because I don't have any room in my car, shocker. So surprisingly, this is like the first vintage item I've seen up here. $1. Well, for $1, I'm not gonna turn down an Otajiri owl mug. All right, let's see here. 75% off except jewelry and firm. Well, I was about to pick up this really fantastic poodle, but a super repaired. $4. Is that 75% off? I guess it is. Oh, it's got a little bug on it. That's so great. Yeah. Well, for $4 and 75% off. Little Raggedy Ann planter. She's playing baseball. I'm not sure how well that would do, but the prices seem to be kind of all over the place, so I might as well check. Actually, I've lost interest because, see this. This is way more interesting. 15, I guess it's for the whole thing? What's this one in here? Taiwan. That's not bad. 15 for all. I'm gonna keep going. I know it's kind of crazy, but I'm trying to just be picky. It's really hard not to just grab everything you could make money on. 15 for the ballerina cake topper. The little dogs, some of them are older. They're only $3 each. What do we have here? See the cows. Tilso. Got some paint loss on the salt and pepper. It's actually repaired and everything. They usually are. I'm like weirdly into what's going on here. $5. I just love the way he's pointing. So random. I think I see some horseman dolls in here. Could be mistaken. F&B. Yes, I'm wrong. Still decent enough toy maker for sure. Look at these funny mice. $4. I'm gonna grab that. I feel like somebody wants that. It's just really kind of unusual. And this little pink elephant, that looks like it might be Taiwan. Yeah, that's newer. Ooh. Well, first of all, the lion. How do I get in this? Let me put my basket down. All right, so unfortunately that's at 17. Whoa. Wow. This tin toy stroller. That's fabulous. Even at 15, I think that's cool. Even with the age to it, I think it, oh, I see. It's missing 2 of its wheels. Actually, that is different. And I love these dollygrams, but they don't sell that well for me, surprisingly. This one's only $5 though. Oh, probably because its hair is, oh, I hate that. That is so obnoxious. I've had one of those fall apart on me before. It's impossible to clean up. Love that mannequin. I actually have a small collection of ones from that era, but the vintage roller skate lighter as is, it's missing a wheel. That's so cool. And Ashland, $30. Dang, they're hip to it here. Dang, I really wish I could figure out how to find a wheel for that. I have a friend who would love that. I don't want to give her something missing a wheel though. Oh, I know it's probably an easy fix, get like a makeshift wheel, but if it's gonna be a gift, I don't want to get too creative. Well, a few things noteworthy in here. Let's look at the little dolls. I don't see anything that's necessary. However, I'm noticing these Caspers non-talking. That's so fantastic. Unfortunately, that Casper doll has seen better days, and so is he. I really like the non-talking, Casper doll head, but at 15, that's a little steep. Little squeak toy. These aren't my favorite. I don't know why. I've just never had much luck with them. I've like only picked them up like once or twice ever, and it was when I first started reselling. Cute little stuffed bear. He's got some like staining going on his crotch area. I'll let that one be. Oh my gosh, I'm just now seeing the Cracker Jacks. Popeye, Snow White. How much is the mannequin piece? I can't see. I'm gonna get in this case. So what I was saying is I think I'm gonna go ahead and get in that case because the Cracker Jack charms. Also, I just found this, which is amazing. I don't even want to sell it. But before I do, I've decided I don't feel right about leaving these guys here for $1. So I'll just sell them in pairs, start them at $5 or something. So I spent $28 in there, which was, say it was a steal is gross understatement. I left the Cracker Jack charms behind. A couple of the ones I really liked were missing their original hooks and stuff. So I'm gonna get on the road. Looks like I might actually get out of Tulsa quicker than I thought. I'm headed to the I-44 Antique Mall, which looks awesome, before I get on the road towards Missouri.